Hey, Christina. Could you help me solve dividing one-step equations?
Of course, I would be glad to. Let's try x divided by 7 equals 2. Our goal is to isolate the variable. In this problem, the variable is x. Right now we are asked to divide x by 7.
I get that. But what do I do to solve for x? To solve for x, you need to do the inverse operation of dividing by 7.
One way to think of inverse operations is to think of the opposite operation occurring.
So I want to think of the opposite operation of dividing by 7?
Right.
The opposite of dividing by 7 is to multiply by 7.
You got it. But remember, what you do to one side of the equal sign you do to the other.
So I am going to multiply both sides by 7. Once I do that, then I have 7x over 7 equals 14. So the answer is 7x divided by 7 equals 14?
You are almost there. What do we know about fractions where the numerator and denominator have the same number?
They have a value of 1.
Right. So 7x over 7 is the same thing as 1x.
That means my answer is x equals 14.
Excellent. Try this one. X divided by 5 equals 25. I want to get x by itself. That means I need to do the opposite of dividing by 5. So, I will multiply both sides by 5. Yes, then what do you get?
Now I have 5x over x equals 125.
And what happens next?
Well, 5 over 5 equals 1. So I now have 1x equals 125.
Good job. Let's do one more to see if you get the hang of it. So let's try x divided by 6 equals 8. Group of dots. Now multiply on both sides. So, what do you do next?
Well, after you multiply 6 on both sides, you would cancel out 6. And multiply 6 times 8 and get x equals 48. Okay. So if you have y divided by 10 equals 2, you would multiply by 10 on both sides. And cancel out 10 to get y equals 20. Right?
Yes. Good job. Do you want to try another one? Yes. Good job. You are doing really good. I am so glad that I could help.
Thank you. I understand dividing one-step equations now.
You are so very welcome. You did a great job.